In early March, research labs across the state began to ramp down as coronavirus spread and restrictions were put in place. But instead of staying home, a group of scientists from Tufts University took action, hoping to make a difference in the pandemic. It started with a tweet, a call to action for Boston scientists during the coronavirus pandemic.
My work has nothing to do with viruses or vaccines. I just wanted to help out in some way that was possible.
Trina Basu is a postdoctoral scholar at the Tufts University School of Medicine. In early March, she and her colleagues had to ramp down their work in the lab because of COVID restrictions, but they had an idea, offered to lend their skills to the State Department of Public Health testing lab in Jamaica Plain. Microbiologists there were trying to process sometimes thousands of samples a day. So Trina's advisor, Dr. Jamie McGuire, organized a sign-up inspired by a similar effort in New York, and dozens of people responded.
I signed up because I have these technical skills and I'm in good health. So why not help out in a way that I could?
6 volunteers worked for a month during the peak number of cases, spending 4 to 6 hour shifts processing coronavirus test samples.
Inspecting, labeling, and cataloging the incoming samples to make sure they weren't leaking, to make sure that the specimen tubes, the names matched with the forms that came with it.
Tate Tabtang is also a postdoctoral scholar and volunteered as well.
At that magnitude, it's nonstop working, and it's kind of crazy being able to process that many samples. I was pretty inspired by all the work that they did. They're very driven.
While that work is over for now, both Tate and Trina say they'd go back anytime.
There's different steps, and at each step, help is needed. And no task is too small or unnecessary enough to help with this pandemic.
Well, the state lab told us they really appreciate the efforts of those volunteers in helping their team during that peak time of the cases. We should point out as well, those volunteers, they were trained specifically to do that work before they started in the lab.
All right, good information there and a good effort by them.